What's up guys? It's now time to get some protection on the KRX mud build. In this video, we're going to be equipping the KRX with a front bumper, rear bumper, nerf bars, rear hitch, and a skid plate. We're going to start with the front bumper. You can see we have an 1 3/4 tubing front bumper, has the sporty look, requires zero drilling, and is powder coated for a long-lasting finish. Let's get it installed. Now it's time for the nerf bars. Constructed from 1 3/4 steel tubing, powder coated for durability, and that keeps your machine protected while you're bashing off trees or bouncing off rocks. Let's get them installed. Now it's time for our rear receiver hitch. Constructed from 3/16 steel plating, comes with a hitch pin, cotter pin, and has a towing capacity of 1,500 pounds. Let's get it installed. We've previously installed the skid plate on this machine, but we use a 1/2 inch ARMW material that is laser cut for a perfect fit every time, giving your machine the protection it needs on the bottom side. That's a wrap for this video on the KRX machine protection. In the next video, we'll be going over rider comfort, so stay tuned. It's going to be a good one.